At harvest time, the weeds will be gathered and burned, and the wheat will be gathered into the barn. And this is what it says in Matthew 13:24 through 30. Jesus gave them another parable to consider, saying, "The kingdom of heaven is like a man who sowed good seed in his field. But while his men were sleeping, his enemy came and sowed weeds, resembling wheat, among the wheat, and went away. So when the plants sprouted and formed grain, the weeds appeared also. The servants of the owner came to him and said, 'Sir, did you not sow good seed in your field? Then how does it have weeds in it?' He replied to them, 'An enemy has done this.' The servants asked him, 'Then do you want us to go and pull them out?' But he said, 'No, because as you pull out the weeds, you may uproot the wheat with them. Let them grow together until the harvest. And at harvest time I will tell the reapers, first gather the weeds and tie them in bundles to be burned, but gather the wheat into my barn.'